In today's tutorial, we will learn how to restore a very old photograph and turn it into a colorized image. We will also explore how to achieve different results based on our preferences. First, click on AI Generate. Now select Remix Image. Next, choose your image, then click on Add from Document to import it. Now go to the prompt box. Type your prompt, or if you already have one, simply paste it here. You can find this prompt in the description, which you can use to restore any image. After that, select the AI model. I will choose Nano Banana 2. Now click on the arrow icon to expand more options. From here, you can select different color palettes based on your preference. These will affect the final restoration result. I will select the retro color palette. Then click on the Generate button. In a few moments, your image will be restored. This result looks great, but now I want to try a different AI model and color palette to achieve a slightly more vibrant result. And here is the new result. You can see that one image is more vibrant, while the other is softer and more muted. So, by using CorelDraw's AI tools, we can make our work more professional and flexible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and press the bell icon for more tutorials.